Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sensationnel Butta, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install, style, and my thoughts about this wig. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are going to get into it. I got this wig here. It is the Butta Lace Unit 3 from Sensationnel, and I think I paid about $40 for this. It's supposed to be undetectable HD lace, and it's like a little T-part type of thing. So we're gonna see. It's been a little while since I've done a synthetic wig video, but that's what it looks like out of the box. It's like this little wavy texture here, and I got this in a 1B. Yeah, so the Butta lace is supposed to be virtually undetectable. We're gonna see. It's supposed to melt into your skin, natural density, hairline. I think that I can apply heat to this. I'm going to need to you know, get my part together. So this is what the inside looks like. Like I said, it's like a T-part wig. It goes back pretty far. The lace is pretty thin, I will give it that. Has adjustable straps, combs, everything, you know, the usual. So I'm just going to apply this to my head just to see what it's looking like. So yeah, it is ear to ear. I don't think it's gonna like cover my edges, but it is ear to ear. It's pretty flat. It's cute. I like the little curls. I like these a lot. I like these little curls. I like this. I like the little waves. So I'm just gonna get into cutting this lace really quick just so we can get this started. Okay, so the lace is cut. As you guys can see, it doesn't really like go over my real edges, but that's fine. We'll just be doing just like the middle part, so it's not that big of a deal. So actually I'm going to take some foundation and add it to the inside of the wig just because it's a lot quicker. Okay, so I have the foundation on the rim. Okay, so that is a much better blend than what we had before. So now I'm just combing down the baby hairs that I want to use. Okay, so now I'm going to take the hot comb just so I could flatten this a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take some Gorilla Snot and apply this to the baby hairs. So yeah, now that the baby hairs are laid down to some degree, I'm just going to make this part just a little bit wider, especially like around the hairline. So I'm just going to do a little bit of plucking. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply that powder to the part. Okay guys, so I finished adding the concealer or the powder to my part. So we're pretty much done. I'm just going to hit the front or the top part with the hot comb one more time, just to give that little bump. To push the hair back a little bit and then give it that little bump. This is very, very long. I don't know how long it is. Like, it's getting like, let me show you guys. It goes to my waist. Like, I'm 5'8", and it goes to my waist, like my hips. Yeah, we're looking at past my butt. Okay guys, so I think I'm done. I think it looks really, really cute. This lace is definitely a lot better than the other ones that I had where it was like thick and bulky. This is really giving HD lace. It's giving, this is not a synthetic wig. It looks like I spent a whole lot of money on this and I only spent $40 on it. And it didn't take much to put it on. Like, I did the most because I did my baby hairs and I did a little hot comb thing. But outside of that, I just made sure I put my foundation underneath the lace. And then I added some powder to the part just to hide the knots a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, like, you know, in person it definitely looks like a wig, but it doesn't look like a synthetic wig. The hair is not too shiny. I separated like some of the hair at the top, you know, just to make it a little bit bigger, because even though it's long, it is like the density is not super thick. It is lightweight though. So yeah, this hair is cute. It looks really nice. I think I found a winner, y'all. I think I finally found a synthetic wig that looks cute on me. Like, what do you guys think? I feel like this is me. Long, like curly wavy hair. I think this is it. And it was only $40. So I'll have to like wear it and see if it tangles, if it sheds, you know, how wear goes with it. Because I mean, it's only $40. So I don't know if I can expect too much from it. But it's so cute. Like right now, I really look like one of the girls off of Instagram or TikTok that, you know, spent a whole lot of money on their hair, and it's only $40. So if you are a synthetic wig wearer, you like your Syntheticas, I definitely recommend this hair as far as like the lace goes. Because I'm just looking at it in this mirror, and I don't know what it looks like on camera, but I really feel like it's given HD lace. Like, they weren't lying about the butter lace, the HD undetectable type thing. Once you blend it with your skin, yep. So this is my little install, my little mini review on this wig. I'll leave all the details of this wig in the description box down below so you guys can go buy it up. And yeah, if you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.